Each year in late summer, as the archangel of sunlight descends lower in the sky, and the winds shift from west to east, the wondrous southward migration of the monarch butterflies takes place in communities throughout North America. By the millions and millions, the intrepid monarchs wander thousands of miles to volcanic mountain forest, located in the heart of Mexico. The most magical thing is that this migration happens in our midst, unfolding in backyards, farms, meadows, fields, and along the shoreline, wherever wildweed and wildflowers grow. The stories of the Atlantic coast monarchs begins in the working fishing part of Gloucester. Well known for the age-old fishing industry, schooner festival, her rich artistic heritage, Italian feasts and feasts, and stunning coastline, Gloucester is located on the Cape and Peninsula, on the northern coast of Massachusetts, as are most regions along the ledge of the eastern seaboard. Cape Ann lies within a largely unselected north-south corridor for migratory species of birds and butterfly. This means that birds, monarchs, and other insects travel along the Atlantic Flyway without being impeded by either mountain ranges on very large body of the water grows, which would slow or prevent their movement. Tremendous sense of urgency in this great movement of life. Whether traveling by land or by sea, wildlife must reach their seasonal destinations. Wildlife sustain. Whether traveling by land or by sea, wildlife must reach their seasonal destination. Wildlife sustain. Food is abundant. During springtime, northwards migrating butterflies, such as red admirals, arrive on Cape Ann along with dozens of species of butterflies, shorebirds, and songbirds. Some shorebirds, like bonfire skulls, stop to rest and refuel before heading to breeding grounds further north, to the boreal forests of Canada and Alaska. And for some species, like the great blue heron, Cape Ann is their breeding home. Many American ravens travel great distances, while others remain year-round. Mute swans partially migrate, moving from body of water to body of water within a region, to forage for food and to breed. Local populations of birds and butterflies travel as well. The wild turkey is a bird that lives its entire life cycle, eating, mating, or raising young, within a much smaller area. The fertile areas, both the silver, bordered, and great spangled, don't migrate. Nor does the black swallowtail. The buckeye and collared sulphur migrate shorter distances, and some silk moths like the giant nightfly luna spend all but 2 weeks of their life not on the wing but as a caterpillar and cocoon. The monarch butterflies is part of the extraordinary South, Central, and North American great migrations of birds, butterflies, and wild creatures, always in search of plentiful food on which to rear the next generation. Within this expansive north-south corridor, there is a world of beauty to discover in the wondrous skin of survivor in migration.